Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn about calculate efficiently. In this problem, we see that we have 1 1/3 divided by 1/4 plus 2/5 divided by 1/4 plus 4/15 divided by 1/4. So, since it says calculate efficiently, even if it doesn't say that, we want to use less math. Well, by less math, we don't mean not just 2 math problems and be like, oh, I'm done. We mean that you should do it in a way where it's not a lot of math for you. So what we can do is that we can cross this 1/4 out and this 1/4 out. So we would cancel this dividing 1/4 and the other dividing 1/4, and then we only have 1. So now what we do is that we open the parentheses. We have 1 1/3 plus 2/5 plus 4/15. Close the parentheses, and it's divided by 1/4. But first, we need to solve what's in the parentheses according to PEMDAS. So, what's the common denominator for 3, 5, and 15? Sorry, that's a 15. So, 3 times 5 is 15, so 1 1/3 becomes 1 5 over 15 plus 6 over 15 plus 4 over 15. And now this would be 10 over 15 plus 1 5 over 15, which would be 15 over 15, and you still have that 1, which would also be 2. But that's not it. We still have the 1/4 we still have to divide. Well, now let's just do it. It would be 2 divided by 1/4, which is equivalent to 2 times 4, which is 8. So our answer would be 8. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it, and leave a like and subscribe and turn your notifications on.